Hi, it's Marieta. Thank you so much for tuning in. In this video, I'm going to talk about H1B visa alternatives in 2021 coming up. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in today. If you are new, welcome. Make sure to hit that bell notification button and subscribe to my channel if you want to be notified every time I release new content. Today's topic is quite interesting. What are the H1B visa alternatives for 2021? Now, guys, I'm super passionate about this topic. The reason is because I have personal experience with H1B and you probably heard my story, and if you haven't, I'm gonna just briefly give you the overview. When I graduated one of the best law schools in the United States, Northwestern Law in Chicago, I could not secure a job. I could not find a job. Back then, prevailing wage was probably around 100K, so I couldn't really get an employer who would give me 100K right off the bat. Now, because of that, I couldn't get H1B visa sponsoring and my visa was about to expire. Guess what? Right before expiration, I found somebody who was willing to sponsor me, but when we got the request for additional evidence, the guy disappeared. I could not find him and I could not submit a request for additional evidence. Therefore, I had to basically reinvent myself. And what I mean by that, I was forced to start my own business. I was forced to start my business, ImmigrationBiz. And because of that experience, I had to learn everything about business, marketing, sales, and even this, how to make a YouTube videos, so I can really get the business up and rolling. Now, the reason I'm sharing this with you is because I put myself through E2 visa. That's what I kind of did for me. And because of that, I started to help other entrepreneurs like you who are students who cannot get H1B visa sponsor, or maybe your H1B is about to expire, you cannot extend it, or whatever the situation is. Maybe you just want to start your own business. So the way to go is E2 visa. Since then, I've done many E2 visas. I became expert with E2 visa category. I'm going to be linking a couple of case studies for you, previous clients, so you can check it out and see for yourself. But I am also myself the case study. So here's what I'm proposing, guys. If you cannot get H1B visa sponsor, if you feel right now frustrated because you don't know what the heck you can do right now with your life, because you feel like you invested a lot of money and time to get the education in the United States, but now you don't know what to do next, this is what I'm proposing. What you do, you start your business. You start from scratch. And I have all the resources. So here is what you need to do. I'm going to be linking a training below this video, how you start your coaching, consulting, service-based business from scratch, from zero. And this is actually training that is going to help you to build the business, to get it to 10K a month income. And number two, I'm going to be also linking free training how you get E2 visa during COVID-19 pandemic, because this is exactly what I do. I coach people how they can start consulting service-based businesses, and then how they can actually get the E2 visa. So you're going to have two separate trainings below this video, all free training. You can dig deeper, get the information, and at the end of the training you will have opportunity, if you qualify, to book a call with me. So that's going to be a solution for you guys. Trust me, I've done it myself. I help many other people to do it, so you can certainly make it happen. Now, let's talk about briefly the E2 visa requirements. By the way, I already have a playlist, E2 visa, with 300 videos on just E2 visa topic. I'm linking that playlist for you. You can start watching, binge watch all these videos. You will understand what I'm talking about. So, requirement number one, you have to be from the treaty country. So this essentially means you have to Google if your country is E2 visa treaty country. For example, if you're from India, that's not a treaty country. In that case, I have a separate solution. If you don't qualify for E2 because you are from India, there is a little mini training I have for you. I'm linking it below this video. So there is always a solution, as you can see, right? But if you are from the treaty country, you can proceed. Number two is to pick up the idea. You have to have a business idea, right? If you have no business idea, if you have no idea what you want to do, again, go back and check out that training, how to start and grow service-based business to 5-figure months. Link below this video, free training, because that training is going to clarify and show you how you do that, how you start. Many times people, they just want the E2 visa, they want to go to US, but they don't understand how to really build a business. One thing, or challenge number one, is to get a visa. Challenge number two is to actually start a business that is sustainable and profitable, right? So we have two challenges here. Number one is to get a visa. Number two is to create a business that is sustainable and profitable. So you have to master both of these challenges. Again, speaking from my own experience, It's doable, guys. So number 2 would be create a business idea or get a business idea, validate the idea, because you have to have validated idea. If you need help with that, check out the training below this video. Number 3, once you validate the idea, you need to think about the money, like what's the minimum investment you can do. I have worked with people who invested 50K, between 50 and 100K, and they got E2 visa. So don't think that you have to invest millions. You don't have to invest $500,000, you don't have to invest 1 million, you don't even have to invest 100K. In some cases, you go below 100K and you are approved. So that will be step number 3. Think about how much are you able to invest. And if you are not able to invest, think about the sources where you can obtain money from. You should not obtain money from United States if you want to raise money, angel investors, etc., VCs, because that's not necessarily, that's not going to qualify you under E2 visa. But you can think about sources such as family funds, loan, secure loan, savings, donation, gifts, etc., inheritance. These are all valid legal sources, and chances are I made a video on this, and again I'm linking that for you here, so you go and binge watch that playlist. So that will be step number 3. Step number 4, once you decide how much you're going to invest, how much you're willing to invest, how much you're capable to invest, then you're going to create a business plan. Okay, the business plan should be solid, the future projections 3 to 5 years, and you should understand exactly how you're going to market your service. Here comes the bottom line, guys. Most of E2 visa investors have no clue how to market and sell. That's the reason I have the training, how you actually boost your sales, how you create a business that is sustainable and profitable. The free training link below this video. So really, these are things you need to consider when you are preparing for the E2 visa plan. It can take anywhere from 6 to 12 months to build this business up, and only then you apply for the visa. So guys, if you need help, again, I'm sharing all the free resources below this video. On top of that, I'm sharing a link. You can book a consultation one-on-one with me. Everything you're gonna find below this video. I'm happy to help. Don't lose hope. There is always a way, and if there is no way, you can find and reinvent your own way. So that's pretty much how I live my life, pretty much how I run my business, and that should be something that's gonna be inspirational, motivational for you. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. See you soon. Stay tuned for upcoming videos, and I'll see you soon. Bye.